This product is designed to impart knowledge about chiller and its types. It gives an insight of different components of the chiller. This product covers the working of a chiller in rich 3D visualization and application scenarios. It demonstrates the maintenance procedure of different components of chiller, and also the troubleshooting procedure of different components of chiller. This product covers the use of different tools and measuring instruments, and safety measures to be taken while working on chiller. So, enhance your technical skills on repair and maintenance of air conditioner by learning at your own pace and comfort through real-life simulations.